What if you could boost productivity by 10–15% simply by organizing your workspace? That's the power of the 5S methodology. Many organizations struggle with cluttered, disorganized workspaces that hinder efficiency and productivity. This lack of organization can lead to wasted time, increased errors, and even safety hazards. At an individual level, employees often feel overwhelmed by workplace chaos, leading to stress and reduced job satisfaction. Teams may struggle with inconsistent work practices and difficulty in locating necessary tools or information. This certification course introduces the powerful 5S methodology: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. It provides a systematic approach to organizing and maintaining an efficient, safe, and productive workplace. Participants will learn to implement each step of the 5S process, from identifying and eliminating unnecessary items to creating standardized work practices. They'll also gain skills in fostering a culture of continuous improvement and sustaining 5S practices over time. For organizations, the impact is transformative. They'll see increased productivity, improved quality, reduced waste, and enhanced workplace safety. This leads to cost savings, improved employee morale, and a more competitive position in the market. On a personal level, participants will develop valuable skills in workplace organization and process improvement. Teams will benefit from a more organized, efficient work environment, leading to better collaboration and reduced frustration. Ready to transform your workplace into a model of efficiency and organization? Don't miss this opportunity to become the certified 5S practitioner. Enroll now and learn to create a workspace that boosts productivity and employee satisfaction.